Let's start our main topic, relations. I hope you understood set, ordered pair, Cartesian product very well because it's a chain. First comes set and then ordered pair, and after ordered pair Cartesian product, and relation is nothing but the subset of Cartesian product of any two non-empty sets A and B. We have seen one question in which we have to check whether the given set is a relation or not. So if R is the subset of Cartesian product of any two non-empty sets A and B, then R is said to be a relation. Now total number of relation, without writing all the elements of a relation, how we can find the total number of relations? So there is a formula 2 raised to the power mn, where m is the number of elements in A and n is the number of elements in B. Now in first chapter you have learned one formula to find the total number of subsets. Total number of subsets of a set is 2 raised to n, where n is the total number of elements in a set. Suppose a set is given A whose elements are A, B and C. So since there are 3 elements, so here n equals to 3. So the number of subsets of set A will be 2 raised to the power 3. So we will get 8 subsets, or there are 8 subsets of this set A. Okay. Now since we know that relation is nothing but subset of Cartesian product, and we have seen that number of elements in Cartesian product. Suppose there are n elements in A and m elements in B. Okay, then the total number of elements in A cross B will be n m or mn, and relation is the subset of A cross B. So subset for subset, again we'll use this formula. So the total number of relation will be 2 raised to the power mn. Okay, if you find any difficulty here in the derivation of this formula, no need to worry, you just remember this 3 formulae. 2 raised to n is the formula to find the total number of subsets. Mn is the formula to find the total number of elements in a Cartesian product of any two non-empty sets, and 2 raised to the power mn is the total number of relations. Okay, now representation of relation. Since relation is a subset, it means relation itself a set. So we can represent relation by a roster form. Roster form you already know, within this curly bracket. Then second, set builder form. Set builder form, you know how to write in set builder form. For example, x belongs to A, or R is a relation A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B, and some rule or A comma B satisfy a particular rule. For example, B is the square of A, this type. Okay, so this is called set builder form. And third form is arrow diagram. You already know, by taking these two circles A and B, R is a relation from A to B. Okay, and the last is lattice form. Lattice form means in Cartesian plane. Suppose this point represent A comma B, okay, in two dimensions, just like two dimension geometry. Okay, so these are the four ways to represent relation.